Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into an exciting and powerful trading tool, the Keltner Channels. We'll explore what they are, how to set them up on TradingView, the best settings for various timeframes, and how to interpret their signals for your trading strategy. Plus, we'll show you how to combine Keltner Channels with other indicators for even more robust analysis. Let's get started. What is the Keltner Channels indicator? Keltner channels are a type of volatility-based envelope indicator. They consist of three lines, a middle line, an exponential moving average, or EMA, and two outer lines that are set a certain distance away from the EMA. This distance is typically calculated using the average true range, ATR. These channels help traders identify overbought and oversold conditions, as well as potential breakout points. How to set up Keltner channels in TradingView. Open TradingView and select the chart of the asset you want to analyze. Click on the Indicators button at the top of the screen. In the search bar, type Keltner Channels and select it from the list. The Keltner Channels will appear on your chart by default settings. Best settings for different time frames. Short-term traders, 1 to 15-minute charts. Use a 20-period EMA with a 1.5 ATR multiplier. Swing traders, 1 hour to daily charts. Use a 20-period EMA with a 2.0 ATR multiplier. Long-term traders, weekly to monthly charts. Use a 50-period EMA with a 2.5 ATR multiplier. These settings can be adjusted based on your specific trading style and the asset's volatility. Interpreting the Keltner channels for buy and sell signals. Buy signal. When the price touches or moves above the lower channel, it can indicate a buying opportunity, especially if the price is in an overall uptrend. Sell signal. When the price touches or moves below the upper channel, it may signal a selling opportunity, particularly if the price is in a downtrend. These signals are more reliable when confirmed by the overall trend and other technical indicators. Combining Keltner channels with other indicators. To enhance the accuracy of your trades, combine Keltner channels with the Relative Strength Index, RSI. For example, if the price touches the lower Keltner channel and the RSI shows oversold conditions below 30, it can strengthen the buy signal. Conversely, if the price reaches the upper Keltner channel and the RSI indicates overbought conditions above 70, it can reinforce the sell signal. Risk management. No indicator is foolproof, and risk management is crucial. Always use stop-loss orders to protect your capital. For example, place a stop-loss slightly below the lower Keltner channel for long positions and slightly above the upper Keltner channel for short positions. This helps to minimize potential losses in case the market moves against your position. That's it for the Keltner channels. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so you never miss an update. For a more in-depth info on this indicator, visit our website at brokercheck.co.za. Thanks for watching and happy trading.